So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram notifications are just not showing. So maybe people are messaging you on Instagram or people are trying to, they're liking your posts or whatever, but none of those things are actually showing on Instagram. Now, you can fix this a couple of different ways. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and double checking your notification settings within your phone. So go into the settings application of your phone and scroll down until you get into the notifications tab. So it should look like this on a multitude of different devices. Tap on here and find that application. In this case, we want to go and find Instagram, right? So find Instagram and you want to make sure your notifications are enabled within Instagram. That is going to be the very first thing that's going to end up probably fixing it for a lot of people. So just go right into here, double check this, and that is one of the things I'd recommend kind of doing here. Because if this isn't working here, then that's probably going to be the main problem you're running into here. So try doing that. Now, after that, what you're going to want to do there is you want to see if that works. If that still doesn't work, you might need to go through and try going into your app store just like this, and you want to search for the Instagram application. So search for Instagram just like this, and you want to try updating the Instagram app. This is probably going to be another one of those really easy things you can do to fix this problem. So try going right over here, try updating the Instagram application, and that is going to be, I think, another really easy thing you can try doing here. If that still doesn't work, you can also try restarting your phone, but those are kind of the main things I'd probably recommend doing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.